Hello, this is Katie of 3Mind Software, and today I'm going to be going over adding to and subtracting from an existing item. So all closed path items, like landmasses or regions and that sort of thing, have three buttons up here in their toolbars. The New, Add, and Subtract buttons. New is automatically selected, and this simply creates a new item, like that. So to add to this item, we'd go up and click the Add option, and make sure that we place our first point inside of the item, like the hint says. So, place my first point inside the item, and now I can just draw like I normally would with whatever pen I have selected. And when I place my second point inside the item, it will add to it, whatever I've drawn. If an item has a shape pen, like the closed area tool does, then I can add to it in a similar way. I just need to make sure, again, that I have the first point inside of the item, and then I can just add to it like that. I can also add like from center, again just making sure that the first point that I click on there is inside of the item. Subtracting works similarly. I just select the subtract option and draw like I normally would inside of the item, and when I finish, it will subtract that area from my item. Now, if you subtract something and you don't like how it looks, or later on you decide that it's not what you want, you can select your item and then select the path, and you can either hit delete on your keyboard, or you can right click and click delete subpath, and it will be deleted. You can also, with the subtract tool, click inside of the item and then click outside of it so that you can cut out a great big bite out of your item. Just make sure that the first point is inside the item you want to subtract from. And that's all for now. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for watching. Bye.